Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset old Samsung TV to its original factory settings. First of all, power off your TV from the remote, then press the following code from your remote. Info, menu, mute and power key. Press the following code without any pause. Wait for some time and your TV will boot up in the service menu. A service menu will be displayed. Here there are many options, but you have to select the first highlighted option, that is option. Press OK here and you can see the factory reset option here. Now press again OK from the remote, that is the center key. Press it and your Samsung TV will be reset to its original factory settings. After reset, power on your TV again. You are watching that it has started the initial setup. So carry on the on-screen setup. After completing the setup, your TV will be ready to use. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.